Hey friends, so this is the Mi Pad 5. The Mi Pad 5 is a budget tablet from Xiaomi. It came out last year and it was definitely one of the best budget tablets for 2021 and early 2022. I'm sure in 2022 a lot of variants are going to come out which will probably be better than this or make this outdated. So the topic of today's video is seeing why the Chinese version of the Mi Pad 5 is definitely better than that of the global version. But this is my own personal opinion. Of course, everyone has different opinions why they choose what they choose to buy. So first of all, let's talk about the whole system itself. Basically, nothing changes from the design between the both of them. They both look exactly the same. They have beautiful designs in the both of them, but one of the differences gets into the software of the two devices. So for the Mi Pad 5, the Chinese version, one of the things that I definitely enjoy about it is the customization and personalization feature. So this customization and personalization feature isn't actually available on the global version. I don't know why that is. It's also something that is available on the Xiaomi phones that is not available on the global version. This is only available on the Chinese versions of the phones. So first of all, you can customize things like your icons. You can also customize the fonts of your device. This gives you lots of options in terms of personalization and putting it exactly how you like in so many different ways. I know a lot of people have problems with the fact that the Xiaomi tablet comes with a lot of bloatware, but bloatware is pretty easy to uninstall, so that isn't necessarily a problem for me. And some people also have the idea that if you buy the Chinese version of the phone or the tablets from either Xiaomi, Huawei, or whatever Chinese company, that you will not be able to use it internationally, which is absolutely not true. You can use it anywhere in the world and it will work absolutely fine. There is no great firewall that blocks you from being able to use the feature of those devices in your particular country. So that is something that you should definitely keep note of. In terms of overall like the system updates, all of them basically get the same system updates. There are some slight differences, especially with things like Android 11 and MIUI. You do get some slight differences, but it's not something that essentially matters overall when you think about the whole device itself. In terms of sound quality and screen quality, they're exactly the same thing. You don't get much of any difference between the both of them. I am someone who likes personalization and making my device into something that I really enjoy using and something that I enjoy looking at every day, since I do use my tablet every single day. So that's why I do enjoy the Chinese version of the Mi Pad 5. But this is up to you. Like I said, if you do think the Chinese version is better, then definitely you shouldn't be afraid of picking up the Chinese version, because you'll be able to use it globally as well, the same way you'll be able to use the international version. It doesn't change anything, so you shouldn't worry about that. But like I said, most of the things that you get are in the settings. So another thing that you get in the settings is in addition. So in addition, you do get some little bit extra features than you get on the global version. So that is something that you should note while using this particular device. You do get things like that. Chinese phones and Chinese tablets are known for beautifying their cameras. This is making your picture appear better than it actually is, and that is no different for the Mi Pad 5. The Mi Pad 5 also has this feature that makes everything look a little bit, I would say, cartoonish and a little bit funny when you look at the device, but it is something that some people really do enjoy. So if you enjoy something like that, then the Chinese version is definitely for you. You also have the use of the Mi Assistant. So the Mi Assistant is the Chinese version of like Siri, for example, but mostly this works in Chinese, so it is a little bit difficult to use. So you should keep that in mind if you are trying to pick up this device. So in terms of special features, most of the special features, some of them you will definitely get it also on the international version, but for the Chinese version you have things like Game Turbo, Video Toolbox, Floating Windows, Second Space, and Privacy Protection Lab. So those are some of the things that you do get on this particular device. So one of the things that is really disappointing in terms of this device is on my Redmi Note 11 Pro, I had what is called the like in the battery, you have amazing battery saving mode like performance mode. Performance mode just increases the use of your device. It consumes more battery, but it makes your device run faster and you're able to actively use it more, which is something that I really enjoy. So this feature is not available on this particular tablet, which is a little bit disappointing, but hopefully in future tablets they'll be able to create something like this which will give you more use for your device. So any questions that you guys have comparing the international version and the Chinese version, please don't forget to leave a comment down below and I will definitely answer that for you guys. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.